again, Sealegend. Then it doesn't matter. This adapter will fit almost all of them, literally almost all of them. I've been using this in homes lately. I love it. I love it, dude. For the money, come on. And you can use my code that'll be in the description below. Ready? It's attached. Now for the good stuff. Holy cow. All right, guys, and along with the vacuum attachment, which I'll show you guys work like a champ, you also get this big long brush, just for a little tidying up, if you will. Put my mask back on. Okay. Now I'll go back to this. And you guys can see, this thing's long. It's long enough to get all the way down there. Can't beat it. But look at the difference. So you can see now, yeah, there's a little bit down there. There's a little bit left down there. I need to get that. Let's see now. Hopefully the flicker doesn't get too bad. And the flicker sucks, man. But look. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, man. That and that for like 12 bucks. And if you click on the link below in my description, you can also use Almetal, ALMETAL 10 for 10% off. I know we're not talking about much, but we're not talking about an expensive product to begin with. And you see the results. Okay. Got it cleaned up in here. Can't get over how good that works, guys. It's not a sales pitch. It's great. Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? That machine just cleaned itself out. With me cleaning the duct, and me cleaning out the front here. Thank you, Sealegend.net. Y'all check them out. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. I'm gonna play it again. Did you hear it that time? All right, let's turn it on, time dry. Everybody should be using that. All right, let's go check some air flow.